In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace your Hayward return assembly. Start by lowering the water level below the return jet. Next, you will remove the eyeball assembly by turning it counterclockwise. Once loosened, the lockring and the eyeball will easily detach. Now, remove the inner eyeball fitting by turning it counterclockwise. If the fitting cannot be removed by hand, we recommend using the seat removal tool. To use the removal tool, insert the key into the grooves of the fitting and turn it counterclockwise. Once the fitting becomes loose, you can easily remove the fitting by hand. You are now ready to install the new assembly. Secure the return fitting adapter in the pool with your hand and turn the outside lock nut counterclockwise. You may need channel locks to loosen the nut. Once loose, remove the return and carefully remove the gaskets. Please be mindful of the sharp edges on the wall. You are now ready to install the new gaskets. Place one rubber gasket over the threads of the return fitting. Push the threaded end through the cutout located inside the pool. The return fitting will now be fully pressed against the liner and the wall. Place the second rubber gasket, followed by the cork gasket, over the threads of the return fitting exposed on the outside of the pool. Secure the lock nut over the outside fitting and firmly tighten. You can now install the eyeball assembly. First, install the inner fitting by turning it clockwise until fully tightened. Now you can insert the eyeball and loosely attach the lock ring over the eyeball by turning it clockwise. Using your index finger or thumbs, push the eyeball into the desired position. Retighten the lock ring, making sure the eyeball did not change positions in the process. You have now successfully changed out your Hayward return assembly. If you have any questions, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.